Hello, my lovely friend. Are you ready to solve this new problem together? So let's get started. Here says Alison and Brianna are in the basement of the department store. Alison steps onto an escalator to the ground floor, and Brianna steps onto an escalator to the first floor. The escalator passed across its P. Let me show here past cross at P, the escalator, and it's Elison and Brianna here. Brianna goes to first floor and Elison goes to ground floor. Okay. Uh, when Elison reached P, she has complete 11 out of 20 here, 11 out of 20 of her escalator trip. Okay, when she arrived here, she passed exactly 11 out of 20 of this trip. Anyway, part A asks what fraction of Brianna's escalator trip has been completed at P. So I am gonna find the fraction of, let me, if I label here A, and here C, it would be B, and I label here D. Okay, it says when Elison arrives P, she will pass exactly 11 out of 20 of the length, which is AC. So I say AP over it's the information that question gave us over AC equals 11 out of 20. What we are gonna find for part A? For part A, it says, tell me when Brianna arrived at P, what fraction of BD? So I say, what's BP over BD? I am gonna find this fraction, the whole of 3. First of all, I try to use these two triangles APD for show the fraction of this trip. I show this triangle APD, triangle APD is similar to triangle CPB. CPB. So I am gonna show these two triangles are similar. To show two triangles are similar, I start here. If I get this angle 1 and this angle 2, so I say P1 equals P2. Why? For any geometry problem, I have to write my reason. Why? Because they are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. Okay, I will go for part step 2. I say we see here these two heights that create a right angle here, they are parallel. So I say BA parallel to CB, and here the line DB is an interversal line that cut these two parallel lines. So if we be careful here, we see D and B create the Z shape. So I can say D equals B, D equals B, Y alternate angle. I say alternate angles. They are alternate angles. So I go for the next one, which is here, C and A. For C and A here, again, same reason. I say they create. This time the interversal line is AC. Interversal line is AC. So A and C are equal. Same reason, they are alternate angle. So I say these two triangles are similar. Okay, I prove it. When I prove two triangles are similar, so the corresponding side are in the same ratio. What's corresponding side here? Let me show you. Here, AP, okay, is corresponding to PC. So I say AP over PC equals, has the same ratio with DP over BP. DP over BP. Okay. Now I have to find this ratio. Then I will go to what the part A really wants. So to find this ratio, I say AP over PC. Here, the question gives us AP over AC. What's AC? Let me change my color to write AC. AC, this length equals AP plus PC. So AC equals AP plus PC. Okay, I can substitute this expression instead of AC. So I say the question gives me AP over AC, that I substitute this expression over AP plus PC equals 11, sorry, let me erase it, 11 over 20. Now I try to cross multiplication. If I cross multiplication, I will find AP equals 11 over 20 AP plus 11 over 20 AC, 11 over 20 AC. Okay, if I bring this AC to the left side and do subtraction, I will find 90 over 20, 9 over 20 AP. And here I have 11 over 20. So it would be 9 over 20 AP equals 11 over 20 AC. I can get rid of this common denominator for both sides, and I will find AP over AC over, sorry, PC. PC, I should correct here and correct here, which is PC, PC, and it's PC here, PC. So I say AP over PC equals 11 over 9. So AP over PC I find here is 11 over 9. I will pause the video to erase the board and then continue the um, other, the left of my solution for part A. Okay. Okay, we arrive here. We start two triangles are similar, and I find this ratio of them. Now I am gonna find this ratio. BP over BD. I'm gonna find this ratio. As we know, BP, we find BP over B, BP over DP. Sorry, DP over VP. So I find DP over BP. And we know BD equals DP plus BP. So I substitute and write all of them in one variable, which is BP. So I say DP equals 11 over 9 BP. So instead of BP, I write 11 over 9 BP plus BP. And here I have BP. I factor BP from numerator and denominator and cancel them up. So I have 1 over 11 over 9 plus 1 gives me 20 over 9. So I find the fraction when Brianna reached P is a 9 over 20 of the whole of these three. So BP over BD equals 9 over 20. So I find which is 9 over 20 of these three. It's my fraction. I am done for part A. I will go for part B. For part B, it says find the ratio of height from the basement to the ground floor here, which is here, compare with the height from the ground floor to the first floor. That means this part, I will show you, that means from ground floor to the first floor. I am gonna find this part. That means BC, the ratio BC to X that I put here, I'm gonna compare these two heights. So I say we know that BC, we find this ratio of these two triangles, that is DA over BC, has the same ratio here, 11 over 9. And we know BD, I can write it as a BC plus, we know this side is exactly BC, is BC plus X. So I substitute BC plus X over BC. Now I do cross multiplication here, and I will have BC 11 BC equals 9 BC plus 9x. So I find that 2 BC equals 9. So I say the ratio here, the ratio of the height from basement to the ground floor with the ratio of ground floor to the first floor is 9 to 2. We are done for part B for the whole of this problem, not for part B right now. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned. See you in the next problem. Bye bye.